Guys, we're doing tri-tip on my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button with that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today? We are going to make a tri-tip. And I don't say make a tri-tip because, you know, it's not like we're going to make a cow and, you know, cut it up, whatever. We have a tri-tip that we are going to grill on the Ninja Foodi Grill. Now, this is my first time trying this. There's nothing in the description, nothing in the recipe guide about how to cook a big old tri-tip. This one's a solid 4 or 5 pounds, but we're gonna give this a go together. I'm just kind of using my educated guessingness of how to grill a tri-tip, you know, using like my gas grill outside. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do 10 minutes each side, and once we flip to the second side after the first 10 minutes, check the temperature periodically, okay? So that's gonna be real simple. I've already put a dry rub on this overnight. I'll explain that more when we come over here. I'll show you what we're doing. But it's just gonna be quick, easy, probably about 20 minutes worth of cooking. If not, maybe a little bit more. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna get you come over here and we'll get started cooking this thing. We're gonna turn on the Foodi Grill. We got our tri-tip sitting out. We're gonna do medium grill. Okay, so it's 450. We'll let it preheat for about 10 minutes. Okay, while we got the Ninja Foodi Grill preheating, let's go over this beautiful tri-tip. There's lots of marbling in there. I know you can't tell it because last night I covered it up with beef rub and seasoning from Victory Lane Barbecue. Guys, you gotta try this stuff. There'll be a link down below. Not an affiliate, I just love this stuff. Anything Victory Lane I've had so far has just been awesome. All right, so you can see there's nice little marbling on there. The other side has a nice fat cap. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start it off on the fat cap on the grill. I wanna get this the top part kind of cooked down a little bit. We'll flip it over about 10 minutes. So each side will get an even cook, but I don't wanna burn one side or the other, okay? So that's kind of where my thought process is on this. There's no recipe for this in the Ninja Foodi Guide, but you know, I'm treating this like a normal outside grill. You know, the whole idea of this is to bring the outside in. So I'm thinking it's just gonna be about the same way. We'll do about 10 minutes aside. We'll check the temperature as we go and just keep an eye on it. Don't want to get it out of control. We have them on medium heat because it's a pretty big piece of steak here, big piece of meat. And I don't want to just shock the outside with a bunch of heat and not get the inside cook. So that's why we're going with the medium grill control, okay? All right, guys, it's time to add our tri-tip. This thing, this is gonna be awesome. All right, so I want to pull it away from the sides a bit. It's okay if it's curved in there. That's awesome. Who'd have thought you could do a tri-tip indoors like this? No smoke, no issues. Let's make it happen. All right, 10 minutes, we'll check the temp and flip it. All right, guys, the first 10 minutes is up. Let's take a look. Whew, looking nice. Let's temp it real quick, take a look. Got my ThermoPro, just like we're out on the grill. 87, 100. Obviously, we got a little ways to go. I just wanted to see what the heat, and the thinner parts are gonna temp out quicker. 105. 100. All right, so let's flip this. Let's check out the grill marks. All right, not bad. Here's that fat cap I was talking about. So I'm gonna push this over the side so we get some more good grill marks in there. All right, let's do another 10 minutes. Okay, we've gone about 5 minutes. I just want to get a good look at it. Temp it out again just to make sure. We don't want to overcook this. We're at 99 in there. We're looking for about 120, 125 in the thickest part. So we still got some time. So we got a little bit of time for the thick part here. I think I'm gonna move it, just give it a different angle. Do that. We got some nice grill marks there. The other 5 minutes up. Okay, 5 more minutes. Checking the temp. 136 in a thinner part, 140. All right, that's good. 145. All right, we got some cookers going on here. The big part in the middle here is where we're gonna find our issues. So I'm gonna flip this over one more time. Oh yeah, talk to me, sister. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. There's some color right there. You know what? I think I'm feeling pretty good about 114, 112, 120. I think I'm good with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this off, let it rest on the cutting board, let that carryover heat take it to that 120, 130 medium rare style. And I don't want to overcook the ends. So 10 minutes on each side. We're good to go. So the one thing you need to know about a tri-tip is the grains run different directions. So we're gonna go ahead and just cut this right down the middle. And then we're gonna slice them up in the different directions. We wanna go against the grain. Look at that. Little medium rare. Ooh, nice. All right, so we wanna go against the grain. You can see the grains running this way. So let's chop it up. I got my new 2.0 knife. Let's see. All right, guys, so we got nice little bites right here. Nice little medium rare. Not bad at all. Let's give these a little shot. All right, let's try it. Juicy, pretty tender. I'm telling you, man, you guys can do this stuff indoors. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna get the rest of this sliced up. Come on over and we'll talk about it. Okay, guys, we're done. This tri-tip looks beautiful. I've already taken the thumbnail. I've showed you how we cut it up. It's beautiful inside, nice medium rare. I hope you enjoyed this one. We have many more Ninja Foodi recipes. In the last in card, check, there's a playlist for all our Ninja Foodi Grill recipes. All right, so make sure you hit that and see what else we got going on here. Little housekeeping items. We have a Patreon account. If you want to be part of CJ's crew for real, hit this link right here. It'll take you to Patreon. There's different tiers of different levels of, subscribing, pledging, a little bit of cash to the channel. Check it out. It really helps us out. I'd love to have you on there. Little extra perks here and there. So it'll be good to go. So give that a shot. Other thing is merch. Hit the link below to our Teespring store. You can get your Cooking with CJ shirt. It says crew on the back. Or you get the other Cooking with CJ shirt, and it has the big bear logo on the back. All right, so make sure you check those out. Last thing, if you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, hit that link below to my Amazon store. Again, it doesn't cost you anything extra to click that link and buy it from there, but a little bit comes to the channel, and every little bit helps, keeps our production value going on. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.